Oh my gosh, no. The volunteer sunflowers and squash just run rampant.
Your garden looks amazing.
Look at my tomatillo.
I know.
The wind's got it going good. Oh, look. I got a couple tomatoes. These are the sun golds, Ma. Yeah. Oh, the first harvest. Is it good? She's like, is it?
That is amazing.
Is it good?
Really?
Yeah, it's good.
It's sweet.
Very delicious.
It's not tart.
No, it's actually good.
Whoa. Cool. Did you see my baby basils that are growing?
Oh, right there. Those things are tiny.
Oh.
You put little seeds in them.
Should it be farther along than it is, or is it
No,
is it right at time?
I seeded them
Ow.
a week ago.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
So, yeah, they're they're right on time. This is a Korean melon. I did have to reseed that. Actually, a lot of things I had to reseed. Oh, careful, Mom, you're stepping on my...
Oh, I thought I was far enough out of your garden.
It's okay.
It's a minefield.
It's a minefield out here.
Okay, so you got some little things there. What's that?
This is a marigold.
What about back there? I see some. Is that cucumbers?
Both of these trellises are cucumber. Obviously, I had to reseed, so some of them are coming up smaller than the others. But this is a volunteer squash in the middle of my plot. I was hoping it was going to be a cucumber, but I have no idea what it is. Oh, you're stepping on my flowers, man!
Oh no.
Just turkey.
Sorry. Sorry.
Why?
Sorry. Yeah. Well, I don't know. It's kind of a hard cutoff.
Oh my god.
White flowers.
Thanks. I just got them from Fred Meyer. They were on sale for like $2. I've literally no.
Oh,
Yeah, I just threw them here. Right. They're just kind of wild. Yeah, I just replanted a bunch of stuff actually. I reseeded the patches of zinnia, so there should be some more coming up. These are the delicatas here, and these are butternuts here in the middle.
Hey, where are those little red peppers?
I know, it's probably gonna be a minute here. These are dwarf sunflowers, so they're only gonna get like this high. Because I totally from what I had initially planted, so they made a comeback. And replant, which actually was good because I was able to get 3 rows in, and initially I only had 2.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, I just threw some chamomile in there.
Good.
I don't know where it ended up. It might be this patch right here. I don't know. Honestly, I was just throwing flower seed over there and hoping something stuck. These are all Suzuki and yeah, these 2 up front are new varieties for me, so I'm super excited about those.
Oh, cool. You're stepping on something.
This he got pulled out. This is what one of the mice pulled out, and I had to put it back in, and it's coming up somewhat. These 2, unfortunately, I didn't get too fast enough before they got big. I was gonna only take one of them, but I might have to just pull one out and say goodbye. What else is here? I've got 1, 2, 3 pumpkins here. This one I started. Yeah. These 2 tomatoes were from Fred Meyer's a couple weeks ago. I just got them on sale and threw them in here because I needed more cherry tomatoes. but I've got three San Marizanos for canning. I've got 2 cherries, and then this one is a Buffalo Sun. I have no idea what that means. I'm guessing it's probably a cherry tomato, but no beefsteaks. I didn't do any heirlooms this year, which I probably could still. Yeah, it might be too late for those, but these are my tomatillos here. So I've got 4 total tomatillos, and then some random sunflowers that just decided to come up. This right here was a start that I got from work, but I think it had too much sun stress, and it's very unhappy. So I don't know what's gonna happen to it. But this one was also a start, and it is absolutely going wild. So these ones that are right here getting absolutely eaten by bugs, I started them as baby seeds, and hopefully they grow big and strong. Some lemon.
That's when it's wet like this, you know. There's a little marigold.
Yeah, I see it right now. This is a volunteer tomato hiding under this. I dropped the seed there. This is also an accidental tomato. I have no idea what he's doing here. This is a sunflower, also voluntary. Another tomato. Get out of here. Why do I have so many tomatoes everywhere? Oh my gosh. I'm really sad, and the rain has helped tremendously. I've got... I just really want my flowers to start blooming, because once that happens, then it gets really happy and I can be patient on my vegetables.
Will this rain?
Here, this is gonna be a spicy bite.
Oh, it's just a couple jalapenos. Trying to relax.
Oh my gosh. Oh. It's interesting. I don't know.